Hello everyone, welcome back to Super Sundays. My name is Troy and we're going to get straight into the chart. So we're going to keep it nice and short. There's not been a lot happening in the markets. It's a bit slow at the moment. Weekly time frame, as I said before, because of the lack of volatility, not a lot happened last week. Did get a bit of a tick higher, but another long wick to the upside, showing that the bulls are running out of steam. Potentially could get shorts from here. If I go to the daily time frame, you can see that this is in a range, and I'll wait for a break above or below the range before I do take a trade. Break up, pull back, and take longs, or break down, pull back, and then take shorts from there. So pull back, pull down, break out, pull down, and then take shorts from there. Targets would be first of all 110 and then 108. If ultimately, alternatively, if we do get a break to the upside, we can look for this will be the first sort of, not target, but watch out for that bit of a spike. So there could be some sell orders there. Then we've got 115.60, 118, and then all the way up at 125. So that's what we're looking for on euro dollar. Wait for it to pick a side and then go from there. If we quickly move on to sterling yen on the weekly time frame, so we do have a bias on this. This one we have a short bias. Price has been unable to break above this zone we've had marked up for a few weeks now. Last week's candle was bullish, but it did pull back to an area and then have a long wick to the upside, showing that it's looking to hedge lower. And similarly, as you can see on this daily time frame, Thursday's candle of last week, shooting star, price unable to break above this zone here, but then came down and found support, which is why we had a little bit of a hammer or pin bar on this candle here. Looking for shorts. So if you go to this time from here, 4 hour, we can see a break of a trend line just here. Now getting this pullback, we can create a left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder for a head and shoulders pattern if we get up to here, which is where I've marked on this short tool, or the sell tool here. Stops are just above this high, which would be a 966 pip stop. Then we can look to take shorts from there. So what we can do is targets. First target would be down here, so that's 132 for, I think it's about 5.5 to 1 or 5 to 1. The next one would be down at 129.50, probably like I think it's a 9 to 1 roughly. Yeah, 9.2 to 1, and that's what we look for on sterling yen. Then if we look for the daily time frame, we see another target down at the low, so that's the most recent lower low. So we're looking for downtrend to break the lower low to continue the downtrend, means that we'll target at least 123.90, and that's our more sort of long-term target. We'll try to make it there, but you know how the market is, will probably rebound from somewhere around here, but that's our target, in looking for price to get there in the next few weeks. Okay, and that's sterling yen. And then if we move on to gold's in very, very high territory, looking for it to pull back. This area hasn't touched or reached since November 20 or October 2012, so definitely up at this result of resistance. We can expect price to pull down. I think price will come down to 1550, and if not, can go further to 1450. What we can do is look for it to come. Look for a reversal pattern. Because it's in an uptrend on the weekly, monthly, and daily. You don't want to necessarily sort of jump the gun. Wait for it to show double top, head and shoulders, break of a major trend line. So you might find a trend line somewhere like that. Then take shorts on a pullback would be nice, down to the levels I just mentioned. But yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. What we're going to do is just keep you up to date. If you kind of follow us on social media, we've got a group chat as well. We do post trades and we do post analysis. So yeah, we hope you have a wonderful trading week. Stay patient. Don't try and chase the market. That's the easiest way to lose money. Pick the best trades, and we hope you have a wonderful week. But thanks.